Confidence hack number 29, Harriet Beecher Stowe, the woman who started the Civil War. The confidence boost today comes through trusting the intuition through your dreams. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs on how to hack their confidence, and high performers as well. If you want a confidence boost daily directly to your inbox to start your morning off on the right confident foot, go to my website, davidnurse.com, and sign up for free. Ask yourself, how many times have you looked back on a decision and said, you know what? I really wish I didn't trust my intuition. I'd be willing to bet the answer is not nearly as many times as you would have said the opposite. Why didn't I trust my intuition? Many psychological studies have shown that intuition is a very real process. The brain makes use of past experiences along with internal signals and cues from the environment to help you make a decision. The decision happens so quickly that it doesn't register with our conscious mind, hence why most people tend to write it off as a mind mirage. I would highly advise you to trust your intuition. In the summer of 1849, Harriet Beecher Stowe's 18-month-old son died from cholera. Stowe was crushed, left grieving for months on end. But what she didn't realize at the time is the pain of her loss would lead to the freedom from pain for so many others. One night, in a deep sleep, Stowe had dreamed that she was called to help fight for the freedom of slaves. She had empathy for slaves as they would watch their children be wrenched from their arms and sold off. She would see this happening. Stowe's dream was so vivid of what she had to do. She took action, trusting her gut intuition from her dream, even when her social status would not have approved. Stowe penned Uncle Tom's Cabin, a story of Tom, an honorable slave who's taken from his wife and children and sold at auction. He spends his life fighting to free slaves and ultimately is beaten to death. Uncle Tom's Cabin's strong Christian message reflected Stowe's belief that slavery and the Christian doctrine were at odds. Going against societal pressures to stay quiet, Stowe trusted her intuition. The book sold 10,000 copies in the first week of print in 1851. Over the course of the next year, it rose to 300,000 copies sold. The movement was on. Quickly, support rose for Stowe's idea to free the slaves. The emotional connection through Uncle Tom's Cabin was imminent. In 1862, upon meeting Stowe, Abraham Lincoln said, "So this is the little woman who made this great war." Don't discount your dreams as random events of neurological synapses. Evolutional psychologists have theorized that dreaming really does serve a purpose. The leading conclusion for dreams is that they serve as threat stimulation theory, a defense mechanism that provided an evolutionary advantage because of its capacity to stimulate potential threatening events. Stowe trusted her intuitive threat stimulating dream. The confidence boost comes from knowing you have an ace up your sleeve that you can't curate yourself. It's intuition. You have it for a reason. Lean on it next time you have to make an important decision, or the next time you have a dream so strongly pulling you in a specific direction. It could just lead to a much needed worldwide movement. So I get the question asked a lot, David, how do you stay so young? How do you still look like you're in your 20s? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I like to think that. And I do get that question a lot. And hopefully it's not people asking why I act young, but why I stay young and look young. And really the reason is what I've been doing for the past year. The skin company I have been using is called OneSkin, and for my face it's cleared up rosacea. It's helped keep my skin vibrant. It actually has reduced the actual true age of my skin. It's crazy. It's like telomeres where you reduce the actual age of who you are. This reduces the age of your skin. My wife and I, we went up to HQ in San Francisco early 2023, and we saw the entire lab, met the people, saw the mission that they are on, and they're doing it. They are quickly becoming the #1 skincare company. They've got skin lotion for your face, for your entire body, even healthy sunscreen, which is very hard to come by. OneSkin, as amazing as they are, they've given me and my wife the ability to give out a code to get 15% off to try it out for yourself. My code is David15. My wife's is Taylor15. Decide who you like better. Be careful. But really, it's been a game changer for me, and I won't use anything else because of what it's done for my skin. So check it out for yourself, oneskin.co. That's oneskin.co, and the code is David15 or Taylor15. Let me know how you're liking it.